Shalom alaikum, my Assyrian dishes friends. I'm Julian and today we'll be making sesame seed bars with tahin. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the sesame seed bars with tahin. You will need 2 cups of roasted sesame seeds with half a cup of almonds that I've just chopped and half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, a third of a cup of date molasses, a quarter cup of tahin, and half a cup of sugar. And this is how your sesame seed bars with tahin should look like. It's a great dessert for summer, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone! And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on assyriandishes@gmail.com or visit our website.